Hey, Gary here with you. I'm going to take a few minutes and break down my top strategy. The sales dashboard you see on the screen is from a marketplace where you can find products that you can sell as an affiliate. That means you can earn a commission for recommending these products. You see the sales dashboard today, yesterday, last 30 days, last month. The amount you can make, which you can earn for free utilizing this marketplace by simply utilizing what I call my top strategy. Now that includes creating a traffic source or using something like YouTube as a traffic source to create content to send people over to an offer. Now those people are very important. The people are what make all this work. The people, when you're doing affiliate marketing and earning money using free traffic, are the people that have a problem, and you are recommending products based upon those problems. Those products being the offer inside of the top strategy. Now that Warrior Plus marketplace that I showed you, that primarily is for information products or digital products in the make money online space. But here at Amazon, if you scroll down, you can sell Amazon products and you can get started for free simply by scrolling down and taking a look at where it says make money with us and simply click become an affiliate. When you do that, you'll see the basic idea of this entire top strategy. Recommend products, earn commissions. Step 1, sign up. Step 2, recommend those products. Step 3, earn money using the top strategy and doing all this for free. Another marketplace you may or may not heard of, especially if this is your first time hearing about affiliate marketing, is called ClickBank. ClickBank sells digital products as well as physical products. It's a simple process. Click login. It'll tell you to sign into your ClickBank account. If you don't have one already, need a ClickBank account, simply create one for free. It's 100% free to join. Warrior Plus as well. Simply click here to sign up for free. Create a username and a password, enter your email address, and you will get access to this marketplace. And you can do that for free just like you can the other 2 marketplaces, for a total of 3 marketplaces where you can start earning money for free as an affiliate marketer. Again, I go back to my top strategy. The top strategy is about traffic, getting traffic for free, specifically in this case from YouTube, creating content, not quite unlike the video I'm creating right here, having an offer from one of those marketplaces that I showed you, and connecting with people using YouTube that have a problem, that are looking for a solution to that problem. There's a link in the description where you can actually access this information in great detail, and I give it to you for free, and I walk through the top strategy and I break down and I show you the tools that I'm using and the strategy that I'm using from that one marketplace over at Warrior Plus. I leave no stone unturned, as well as I show you exactly what I'm doing and the tools that I'm using, and you can currently get that for free. Link in the description. Just so you fully understand the concept, take a look at this channel, 30minutemarketing.net. You can see here is a video. The video thumbnail you can see is a review plus a bonus. When you take a look at this video, you're going to see how simple this process is. Give away a secret, sell a secret as the solution, or show a secret as a solution, which takes them over to the product that you're selling as an affiliate on one of those marketplaces. Here you can see I simply just reference this process or this training that I'm revealing in this video, and I provide a link. They click that link. It takes them over into this case, what is called a bonus page. Again, I show you all this in the top strategy inside of my course Affiliated. You can get that for free. Link in the description. They click here to get the product that I'm recommending, and when they do that, it takes them over to a sales page. And on that sales page, it has more information about why they want this product. When they decide they want this product, you can see what is called a buy button here. You can see that this is powered by the Warrior Plus marketplace. They then click that link. That is your affiliate link. It takes them over to Warrior Plus where they check out and they make a purchase and you earn a commission. You can hover down here and you can see this is my affiliate ID, Baker Gary. My name's Gary Baker. Baker Gary is my ID over at this marketplace. It really is that simple to do. I do this over at another channel that I have called Publisher Report. Again, I reveal all this inside of the top strategy, inside of the training, which is free. In affiliating, there's a link in the description, and you can see that these are simple videos where I'm not even showing my face. I am simply showing how to do a thing. a thing that helps solve a problem for the people that are interested in the topic that this channel is about. I make these videos, and in those videos, again, I do what I showed you in the last video, and like I'm doing here, I'm simply telling you, if you want to learn how to do this, click the link in the description. It'll take you over to my free course called Affiliating, where you will see the top strategy, and I will break it down for you step by step. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, but don't forget that link in the description takes you over to learn this strategy for free, and I'll talk to you later.